Pepakilala nening integrated mixed-use estate ta Alviera, King Porac, Pampanga, yung sports event alayong pakiabutan reng 10,000 sports enthusiasts King Central Luzon. The program was inaugurated with the Alviera Racquetball launch, attended by athletes, partners, and community leaders. The event featured activities in tennis, badminton, and pickleball at the Alviera Country Club.
Have sports enthusiasts playing tennis, badminton, and pickleball from April until June. But here in Alviera, we plan to make things bigger, and we want to be the center for lifestyle community events and sports activities here in Central Luzon, no, from Pampanga and beyond.
Manang panging Alviera miyayaliwang indoor at outdoor sports facilities para kareng hanggang edad at level ng training. Keti king Alviera Country Club at chula ring court para king tennis, badminton, multi-sport court, gym, swimming pools, wellness amenities at ring family-friendly al lugar.
So besides the Alviera Country Club, where we have our facilities, in Alviera throughout the year, we will be launching other activities as well. So besides the racket sports, we will be having a series of football, frisbee, duathlons, and trail runs happening. So we really want everyone to think that when there is a sports activity that they want to do here in this side of the Philippines, the country, that they will think about Alviera.
Outside the club, the new open grounds are available for football, frisbee, jogging, and pet-friendly activities, along with a driving range for golf and a kart racing circuit for motorsports. There's also a 5-kilometer bike and nature trail for cycling, duathlon, and trail runs. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.